In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA 5 RP on Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, most players who play GTA 5 roleplay play on PC, and this is because on PC you are able to use FiveM to easily set up and find roleplay servers. However, FiveM is not available for consoles, but you can still do roleplay on those consoles. All that you have to do is look for some servers, like this one for example. Boys in the Hood is a very popular roleplay server that is available on Xbox, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 5. Another example would be Los Santos Roleplay. So in this video, I'm going to be showcasing these two roleplay servers that you can access if you are playing on an Xbox console. So all that you have to do is visit the website at lossantosliveroleplay.com or look for Boys in the Hood Discord. They don't have a website, you just have to visit their Discord page here. Now, for most roleplay servers, even others besides these two, you will have to apply through Discord. So when you click apply today, you will be redirected to Discord and you have to join their Discord to apply. Most of them will have strict rules and regulations that you need to read before you are approved. So you will need to send a form, and if they believe that you will be suited for the server, they will allow you to join. So they are going to give you the instructions on what to do next. So as you can see, they have a lot of policies that you should go over and so on. And the same thing for Boys in the Hood. When you join the Discord, they are going to welcome you, tell you about the server, and of course how to join. So as you can see, you are going to need to make sure that your Discord name matches your Xbox or PlayStation Network gamer tag. You are going to need to prep a character background, story, and basically who your character is, because remember, it is roleplay and they take this very seriously. When you are done with the steps, you will be able to go over to this channel, apply to join, and you will be able to make a selection here to start. So you will be able to include Boys in the Hood roleplay, send a DM, and go through the application process. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA 5 roleplay on Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.